Welcome back to Southern RV TV. I'm your host Barry, and today we're taking a look at the Alliance Paradigm 390 MP. When we first step up into the 390 MP, we're inside this beautiful combined space. It's this living room and kitchen with these large atrium windows that surround us. They let in a lot of natural light, which is something that I really love. The other thing that I noticed that's really cool is right when we come through the door, exposed and open, we have all of our controls, light switches, slide controls, everything that we could possibly want the moment you step through. It's not hidden or obscured or somewhere that's hard to find. You're not going to be stumbling around looking for it. Also on this wall, we have the main panel control for our ceiling lights here. They are on a dimmer, which is very nice for setting up ambient light of the evening. This particular model happens to be generator prepped, and the control center for that is right here. All of this is nothing but storage and a nice little, this could be like a coffee station or wet bar. So lots of great cabinet space, nice tough magnets holding things together. This does have a pantry, so that's pretty slick. It has some lights that automatically come on when you open up that door. This is equipped with an LG residential refrigerator. I like that a whole lot. And guys, there's a ton of counter space in this unit. I'm talking about lots of solid surface counter, and they've given us a sink cover so that we can utilize the sink area as counter space as well. Like in many of the Alliances and lots of high-end fifth wheels that we're seeing on the market today, it's got a great Insignia stove and oven that is close to a residential size. This also has an Insignia microwave up top. I really like that. All of our cabinets and drawers are soft close, so you just got to get them there and they're going to do the rest of the work for you. Coming into the living room area, we have our entertainment center on the far wall here. Nice big LG smart TV that's connected to this Jensen headset, and then we have our fireplace down below that's going to put out great amount of heat for you electrically, and there's storage built in behind it. Behind me I have a trifold sofa, so while this is a couple's coach, this can pull out into what's nearly a king-size bed. It's memory foam, so it's pretty comfortable to sleep on. Directly across from our TV, we have our electric recliners and theater seating. This is pretty slick because it's pretty comfortable. It has a couple of little cup holders that fold down in the center, and there's some USB power ports around it as well. Another thing I didn't mention on this back couch is on either side with these stands, we have storage down below and more USB power ports either side of the couch. They're right down there, as well as your standard electric plugs too. This slide is huge, guys. I'm 6'3". I can walk right into it without issue. This table is a free-floating live edge table. It's very pretty and it's very functional. I've seen some people take it and spin it to make it a desk. They basically unscrew it and screw it back in so that it's less of a table and more of a desk. That's one of those few weird mods that we've seen people do online. Let's take a look in the hallway here at the namesake of this particular unit. This is the MP portion of the 390 MP. This is the multi-purpose room. As we push into it, what we find is that we have essentially an office space or entertainment space. Over here we have what could be used as a desk or a spot to hook up a nice large flat screen TV. We've got a cork pegboard here for pinning up notes. All of your standard TV attachments are there as well. This unit comes with 2 standard dining chairs, but it also comes with 2 folding chairs that actually match the decor, and we've drug one in here just to show that it can be used as a desk. Across from all of this, we have a small sofa. Now this is a tri-fold as well. So just like we were saying outside, this can be pulled out and made into another bed. There's a little bit of storage up above it, but what's even cooler is what's above me. So stepping up into the hall, we have our nice little loft area. So talk about bringing grandkids along, something of that nature. This is a great space for it. It's got a sweet little ladder for climbing up and getting up into the top. And I'm sure the kids would absolutely adore that space. Further down the hallway, we have our bathroom. Pretty nice and spacious. One of the things I really like about it is the shower surround and the seat that they give you in there. It has epoxy poured countertops, and it's got a foot flush toilet with a soft close lid. Here up in the nose cap, we have our bedroom. Now this is a single slide bedroom, but that single slide holds this massive king bed. This is a Serta mattress that's in there. And notice that they've given us little nightstands on either side of the bed with USB and power ports. If somebody has like sleep apnea and needs to have one of the breathing machines, there's space over there for one, and on this side as well. Another thing that's worth noting is that, again, I know I've said it before, but I'm kind of a big guy. I'm 6'3", and I'm inside the closet right now, guys. How crazy is that? Now this closet is set up with washer dryer attachments, so you could potentially hook up a washer and a dryer on either side. Alliance is known for having loads of storage, and this bedroom is not short of it. So in addition to having this 6-drawer chest of drawers down at the foot of the bed, it has some hidden storage beneath it. And also on this side, you'll notice that this bench lifts up to reveal another portion of storage. So you could stash some shoes or a Tupperware bin or something of that nature up under there. But it is a great spot to sit down and just put your shoes on at the end or the beginning of the day. So pretty slick. It's right next to that little spot of closet that's right there. One of the things that I don't think I mentioned earlier is the fact that this unit has 3 independent air conditioners. They're all high efficiency. We can run all 3 on 50 amp service. If you have 30 amp service in your park, you can still run 2 of those ACs. They are direct dump right here, so that's going to allow it to efficiently cool down the unit. So one last thing I want to point out is that inside, there's loads of great accent lighting in here. In addition to the flush LED lights in the ceiling, they put LED strips in along the crown molding rail and up in that surfboard that hosts our kitchen lights. In addition to the accent lighting on the inside, they've got some great accent lighting outside as well. Let's check that out. As I was saying, inside, this has great accent lighting outside as well. Up above our control center, we have this great LED bar that's going to light up this entire area. There's lights inside the storage and control center area, and moreover, there's accent running lights on the underside. That's really going to give it a nice glow of the evening. Guys, the storage is super huge, and it's a 101-inch wide body, so there's double baggage doors on the other side. And here they've even given us an outside shower, our battery disconnect, and if I pop this panel, it gives us access to some of the inner workings right here at this deck. Let's check out the other side. Here on the door side of the camper, as I was saying, we have 2 massive bay doors that open up and give us all of this exterior storage. It is a lot. Now guys, they've even given us hookups for a TV out here, so one could easily be placed outside. All of these latches are slam latches, and they've got magnetic catches to hold the doors up, making it super easy to open and close. This unit is equipped with 2 extremely large electric awnings that are lit by LED light strips. We can't let those out today. It is a little too windy, so we hate that for you, but trust me when I say it's a lot of awning space. Our stairs are the solid step entry stairs. These do have the gas strut assist, so they're easy to let up and down. They don't just fall out and on you when you open it up. Pretty cool. This is running on a MoreRide heavy duty suspension system and some nice strong tires. One of the things that Alliance prides itself on is building a full-time rig for full-time campers, so people that can live out of these units. They've gone through and put the highest quality materials that they can inside as a result, especially at the price point. At the back of this unit, we have a ladder walking up to our fully walkable roof. That's PVC coated, I believe. And then back here we have a 2-inch receiver with a 4-pin wire for towing a trailer or a boat or something of that nature. Now, that's not a lot of tow capacity, and in some states you can't triple tow and have length restrictions, so be sure to know the laws where you're from. Well, folks, thanks so much for joining us for this quick fly through of the Alliance Paradigm 390 MP. As you can see, it's a gorgeous full-time unit. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to call us at 770-477-0552, or you can visit us online at southernrv.com. Also, if you just want to come see this thing in person, we're right in McDonough, Georgia, off of I-75 between exits 216 and 218, just south of Atlanta. Come check us out. Until next time, happy RVing.